in a 2011 Lexus LS, I'm going to show you in this portion how we set up CarPlay and the audio. I'm going to first give you an important point. Long holding the voice speech button on the left side of your steering wheel for 3 seconds will switch between CarPlay and the factory screen. This is the Hamilton underlying operating system below CarPlay and Android Auto. To set up CarPlay, you're going to pull out your iPhone, go to Settings, Bluetooth, and scroll down until you find your new Hamilton device. Click on it. A pairing code will pop up. Click Pair. Allow to contact some favorites. And if you get a message that says Use CarPlay, click Use CarPlay. CarPlay will then automatically open. There it is, Apple CarPlay. An important point. You'll have your phone paired to the Hamilton device. You pair it via Bluetooth. CarPlay initiates with a Bluetooth connection, and then it switches over to a proprietary Apple Wi-Fi connection. So if you ever wanted to disconnect CarPlay, you can see that Wi-Fi has turned white. Clicking that would pop up a message to disconnect CarPlay. See that? We're not going to disconnect CarPlay. You may notice that the Bluetooth network Hamilton gets connected and then it pops disconnected. That doesn't matter. That's how it works. CarPlay initiates with Bluetooth and then it switches over to that high-speed Wi-Fi connection. So don't be alarmed if you see the Bluetooth pop off for CarPlay. We're not done yet. Let's go back to the original screen real quick. Come to Audio. You need to make sure that your car is in aux mode. The Hamilton system, your phone will be streaming music or content to the Hamilton system, and the Hamilton system has grabbed your aux line behind your factory radio and will be playing music via your aux mode. So you're gonna forget factory Bluetooth, you're never gonna use it again, you're gonna be using aux mode. Of course, you won't lose access to your satellite, FM, or AM radios. You can use those and have CarPlay showing for navigation, but if you want to be playing audio through CarPlay, say music for example, you need to make sure that back on the factory screen in audio, your car is set to aux mode, okay? Don't forget that. Again, we can long hold that voice speech button to toggle quickly between the original system and the Hamilton system. And just like that, we've completely changed the 2011 Lexus LS, one of my favorite cars. This car lasts such a long time. It's so luxury. Having CarPlay makes it feel much, much newer. We have tech support 919-858-2890. You can talk to me or one of my team members. You can also email us, support@hamiltonmotorcompany.com. Check us out on the web, hamiltonmotorcompany.com. We cover every model of Lexus and Toyota. All orders are backed by the 3-year Hamilton guarantee. It means we're going to take great care of you before, during, or after your purchase. I'll see you in the next one.